Welcome to another episode of Mondays with Milt. Now today we're going to talk about World Quality Week. That's what's on the agenda this week worldwide. You know, when we get in to doing custom locks on doors, we really have to step up our game. When we're doing work for the data center industry and we're using a much tighter mesh, another different type of custom door where we put a sheet metal shroud around it. Once again, the quality of the product really has to come through. You know, we're doing a lot of work in our automation division. So we're doing a lot of machine guards around robotics, around active machines. And when you see some of these light curtain posts, and we got to do a lot of really fine tuning on our tube laser to get everything just right, so the actual light curtain and all the different automation areas will fit. We do a lot of safety interlocks, as you can see here. So this just isn't a backyard fence. Now you've got to have really good quality to be the best company you can be, to give the best product. So whatever product you're working with or producing or representing, make sure it's a quality product. You got to stand behind it. That's what we got this week. We'll see you next week on another episode of Mondays with Milt.